In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Discord account on your mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Discord is a great platform for chatting, joining communities, and communicating with friends, family, or co-workers. Whether you're using it for personal or work purposes, setting up an account only takes a few minutes. To get started, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for Discord, download the app, and open it once the installation is complete. On the welcome screen, tap Register to create a new account. You'll be asked to sign up using either your phone number or your email address. In this example, I'll use an email address. After entering your information, tap Next. Now, enter your display name. After that, choose a unique username. Keep in mind that every Discord username must be unique, so if the one you want is already taken, you'll need to choose a different one. Next, create a strong password and tap Next. Then enter your date of birth. Read and agree to Discord's terms of service and privacy policy, then tap Create an account. Discord may ask if you'd like to find friends from your contacts. You can allow this or simply tap Skip. If prompted again, tap Skip in the top right corner. You can now upload a profile picture if you'd like, or skip this step and do it later. That's it. Your Discord account has been created successfully. From the home screen, you can add friends, join or create servers, and start chatting with communities right away.